road since I was knee-high. Daddy's old Chevy taught me how to fly. The gravel kicking up behind my worn-out tires. Small town raised me, small town never dies. Never dies, never dies, never dies. We thunder, we thunder, we thunder down the line. Born from the dirt with rebellion in our spine. We thunder, we thunder, we thunder through the night. Black road warriors with fire burning bright. We thunder, we thunder, we thunder. Friday night comes and we're tearing up the track. Tailgate party with the boys, ain't looking back. Stars above us while we're raising up our camp. Freedom tastes like dust and sweat from working hands. Working hands, working hands, working hand. We thunder down the line. Born from the dirt with rebellion in our spine. We thunder through the night. Back road warriors with fire burning bright. We thunder, we thunder, we thunder. The world gets heavy and the road gets rough. We stick together cause we're made of tougher stuff. Blood and soul running through our veins so deep. We thunder, we thunder, we thunder, we thunder. Sunday morning finds us walking through the pines, remembering the stories from these bloodlines. Every scar upon this land tells who we are. Country boys, beat up hearts, souped up cars. Souped up cars, souped up cars, souped up cars. We thunder down the line. Born from the dirt with rebellion in our spine. We thunder through the night. Back road warriors, fire burning bright. We thunder, we thunder, we thunder, we thunder. We thunder, we thunder. We thunder. Never dies, never dies. We thunder, we thunder. Yeah, let's ride. Turn it up. Crack a cold one, sun beating down, jacked up Chevy by cornfields, rolling out of town, muddy boots in the red clay. I ain't trying to be clean, got a wave in my soul and a worn out dream. Old flag snapping on the tailgate post, dust up, boys yelling loud, we love the most. That back road buzz creeping up in my chest, bonfire nights, deep laughs, never second best. It's the pulse in my veins when I hear that sound. Lift it up, I ain't never backing down. All that on the dirt where the wild hearts work. Gas up, burning up that river of earth. Raise them up high, let them know what we worth. Outlaw Brotherhood running wide open first. Freedom calling, man, I feel it in my bones. Country boys care if I never roll alone. All out on the dirt. Repeat again, yeah, we all out on the dirt. Ice in the cooler, story in my face, scars and a smirk, raised on rebel taste. Bad moon rising, but we still don't hide. Brother to my left, got that look in his eye. Mossy riverbank bay, shaking the night. Outlaw spirit, rough roads, do it right. My hands stained, but my old heart's clean. Raise a toast for the lost in the campfire gleam. All that on the dirt where the wild hearts work. Gas up, burning up that river of earth. Raise them up high, let them know chest and a flag to my back. Crashed thunder in the woods, never cut me no slack. Plenty nights all run together, radio haze. Crooked fence, crooked grin, rolling wild through the maze. Hear the engine bar, nah, we ain't ever done. Got the mud on my skin, man, we hunt for the sun. Got the pride in my tall trucks, lean in the light. Brother, whistle that tune, we gon' party tonight. All out, all out, how many times we yell it? Lean close, take a swig, can't nobody sell it. Lost count, all out, running hard in the night. Freedom in my mouth when I holler at the light. Up the red dust, never asking why. All out, Toby, you're on stride. Picking up the red dust, never asking why. All out till the well runs dry. All out on the dirt where the wild hearts work. Gas up, burning up that river of earth. Raise them up high, let them know what we work. Outlaw Brotherhood running wide open first. Freedom calling, man, I feel it in my bones. Country boys carry fire, never roll alone. All out, all out, all out on the dirt. Yeah, all out on the dirt. Hey, all out. Hey, all out. Sing it out, all out on the dirt. I've been riding these back roads since I was knee-high. Learn to drive on gravel, learn to speak with my eyes. Now I'm pushing 25, got my own four-wheel drive, and the weight of this whole world on my shoulders. We the back road king, on the run free. Mud on our boots, wind in our hair, that's how we be. Mud on our boots, wind in our hair, that's how we be. Stars above us, ground below us, that's our creed. Yeah, we're everything we need. Yeah, we're everything we need. Back road kings, what we are, that's what we bring. Back road kings, freedom in our blood, fire in our wings. My daddy told me, son, this land will test your soul, but if you stay true to yourself, you never lose control. I got my brothers by my side, we're cutting through the cold. Ice cold beer in my hand, American flag unfurled. The bonfires burning bright, we're changing this whole world. We the back road kings, born to run free, born to run free. Mud on our boots, wind in our hair, that's how we be. Stars above us, ground below us, that's our creed. And we're everything we need. Yeah, we're everything we need. Back road kings, that's what we are, that's what we bring. Back road kings, freedom in our blood, fire in our wings. When the sun goes down and the engine's loud and the dust is kicking up from the ground, we don't need no permission, we don't need no crowd. We just need these roads and the way we feel proud. Small town bred, big dreams in our chests. This is our kingdom, this is our test. We the back road kings, born to run free. Mud on our boots, wind in our hair, that's how we be. Stars above us, ground below us, that's our creed. And we're everything we need. Yeah, we're everything we need. Back road kings, that's what we are, that's what we bring. Back road kings, freedom in our blood, fire in our wings. We the back road kings. Yeah, we're everything we need. belly burning bright. Back road rebel riding right. Gasoline soul can't contain. Freedom flowing through my veins. Born and raised where the gravel meets the rain. Country blood pumping through my brain. Flames alive, I'm feeling fine. Back road fire, this soul of mine. Back road fire burning bright. Back road fire through the night. Back road fire in my soul. Back road fire taking control. Back road fire won't die. Gravel grinding underneath. Stars above and dirt beneath. Fire crackling in the dark. Passion burning, leaving marks. Wild and free, I make my way. Living life the rebel way. Flames dancing in my chest. Back road fire, I'm blessed. Back road fire burning bright. Back road fire through the night. Back road fire in my soul. Back road fire taking control. Back road fire won't die. Born with flames inside my heart. Back road fire from the start. Can't be tamed, can't be contained. Fire flowing through my veins. Fire burning. Wheels turning. Soul yearning. Fire burning. Back road fire burning bright. Back road fire through the night. Back road fire in my soul. Back road fire taking control. Back road fire won't die. Back road fire. Back road fire. Back road fire. Won't die. Won't die. Back road fire. Backwoods blood never changed. Dirt road raised, feel the pain. Granddaddy's truck, rusty chrome, told me stories way back home. Mama's tears when daddy left, but we survived, nothing theft. Gravel crunching, dusty trail, family name we never fail. Yeah, backwoods blood running through my veins. Muddy boots dancing in the rain. American flag flying high above. This is where I learned to find love. Backwoods blood, backwoods blood. Never wash it out, it's in my blood. Friday night, the fire burns bright. Brothers circle, ready to fight for each other through the storm. This is how we were born. Ice cold beer, mason jar, underneath the southern star. Backwoods blood running through my veins. Muddy boots dancing in the rain. American flag flying high above. This is where I learned to fight love. Backwoods blood, backwoods blood. wash it out, it's in my blood. Sometimes got hard, bills pile high, but we never said goodbye to the way we were raised. Through the struggle, through the haze, yeah. Sangre de monte, corazón fuerte, nunca olvidar de dónde vengo. Tierra sagrada, mi herencia, esta es mi resistencia. Vamos! Backwoods blood running through my veins. Muddy boots dancing in the rain. American flag, flying high above. This is where I learned to fight and love. Backwoods blood, backwoods blood. Never wash it out, it's in my blood. Never wash it out. Backwoods blood, yeah, it's in my blood. I was born in the red dirt, raised by the rain. Daddy's hands were callous, mama felt the pain. But the red dirt blood, it runs through my veins. Red dirt blood, through the struggle and the strain. Red dirt blood, never washing out these stains. Every morning for the sun, I was up and working hard, picking cotton, baling hay in the old backyard. But the red dirt blood, it made me who I am. Red dirt built me up from boy to man. Red dirt blood, this is who I'll always be. Damn. Tell me, can you feel it? Can you feel it? Running through your soul. Tell me, can you feel it? Can you feel it? Never letting go. Red dirt blood, that's what's pumping through my heart. Red dirt blood, been with me right from the start. Red dirt blood, never gonna tear us apart. Red dirt blood, 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 that's my everything, my heart. When the bank came calling, tried to take our land, I stood up with my brothers, we made our final stand. Cause the red dirt blood, it don't know how to quit. Red dirt blood, fight for every bit. Dirt blood, red dirt blood, this is what we're made of, kid. Lost my job in town, but I ain't hanging my head. Cause the red dirt blood, how my family's fed. Red dirt blood, been moving straight ahead. Red dirt blood, rather die than live in dread. Tell me, can you feel it? Can you feel it? Running through your soul. Tell me, can you feel it? Can you feel it? Never letting go. Never letting go. Red dirt blood, that's what's pumping through my heart. Red dirt blood, been with me right from the start. Red dirt blood, never gonna tear us apart. Red dirt blood, 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 that's my everything, my heart. When the world gets heavy, and the road gets long, I remember where I came from. It's what keeps me strong. Red dirt blood, 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 that's my battle song. Red dirt blood, that's what's pumping through my heart. Red dirt blood, been with me right from the start. Red dirt blood, never gonna tear us apart. Red dirt blood, 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 that's my everything, my heart. Red dirt blood, everything, my heart. Red dirt blood, red dirt blood, red dirt blood, as far I'll let go. Dirt caked under my fingernails, taste of freedom on my tongue. 13-hour shifts at the mill, still young but feel so old. Daddy's boots still by the door, same but different man. Check engine light been on for months, don't care, she still runs. Muddy boots, that's all I gotta show. Muddy boots, from everywhere I go. Work hard, play harder, never gonna change. Muddy boots, running through my veins. Friday night, back road rally, cooler full of ice cold truth. Bonfire sparks flying high, stars above, dirt below. Brotherhood runs deeper than the creek behind the barn. American flag on my tailgate, ain't ashamed of who I am. Muddy boots, that's all I gotta show. Muddy boots, from everywhere I go. Work hard, play harder, never gonna change. Muddy boots, running through my veins. Botas llenas de lodo, corazón lleno de orgullo. Esta tierra es mi hogar, nunca me voy a marchar. Truck payments through tomorrow, boss man breathing down my neck. But when I hit that dirt road, feel that in the road. Small town, big dreams, outlaw in my blood. These boots tell my story every step I've walked. Muddy boots, that's all I got to show. Muddy boots, from everywhere I go. Work hard, play harder, never gonna change. Muddy boots, running through my veins. Muddy boots, that's my legacy. Muddy boots, that's all I'll ever be. In the backwoods, blood pumping pride. Diesel engine roaring, mud tires wide. Daddy's old Chevy chrome shining bright. Hauling hay bales till the dead of night. Red dirt staining every piece of clothing. American flag flying, that's devotion. Small town soldier bourbon in my veins. Brotherhood bonded through the sun and rain. Tailgate parties, bonfire blazing. Country boy lifestyle never changing. Steel toe boots leave prints in the clay. Living outlaw life the American way. Dirt road dynasty, dynasty, dynasty. Dirt road dynasty, dynasty. Blood runs deeper than the Mississippi. Fire in my soul, soul, soul. Country born and bred, that's how I roll. Dirt road dynasty, dynasty, dynasty. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Boots in the mud, hard in the fight. Stars and stripes flying every night. Boots in the mud, hard in the fight. Country strong, burning bright. Granddaddy's wisdom carved in weathered hands. Built this legacy with sweat and land. Pickup truck prayers on Sunday morning. Monday back to work before the dawn. And blue collar backbone, never backing down. Hardest working crew in this whole town. Beer bottle baptized in the river bend. Loyal to the core, ride or die friends. Hunting season sake, freedom's call. Standing tall and proud through it all. Rebel spirit coursing through my chest. Country blood flows, never second best. Turbo Dynasty, Dynasty. Blood runs deeper than the Mississippi. Fire in my soul, soul, soul. Country born and bred, that's how I roll. Turbo Dynasty, Dynasty, Dynasty. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Boots in the mud, heart in the fight. Stars and stripes flying every night. Boots in the mud, heart in the fight. Country strong, burning bright. From the creek to the cornfield, this is real, this is real. Generations deep in the soil, blood, sweat, never spoil. Dynasty. Dynasty, blood runs deeper than the Mississippi. Fire in my soul, soul, soul. Country born and bred, that's how I roll. Turbo Dynasty, Dynasty, Dynasty. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Boots in the mud, heart in the fight. Stars and stripes flying every night. Boots in the mud, heart in the fight. Country strong, burning bright. Crimson sunrise paints the hollow, diesel engine resurrection. Grandmother's wisdom carved in oak, generational protection. Blacksmith heritage flows through veins, hammered steel determination. Weather hands grip destiny, forged from tribulation. Rusted chains can't bind the spirit, liberation proclamation. Sacred ground beneath these boots, hallowed consecration. When the storm clouds gather thick and the world tries to break our will, stand tall on sacred brick. Iron bloodline running still. Iron bloodline forged in fire, never bend, never tie. Thunder rolling through our souls, ancient strength that never falls. Iron bloodline born to fight, blazing through the darkest night. Blood and honor, steel and pride. Iron bloodline battle tried. Grandfather's hammer strikes the anvil, molten metal meditation. Sweat stained leather apron worn, craftsman's dedication. Backbone straight as timber beams, architectural foundation. Whiskey bell philosophy, liquid contemplation. Sawdust cathedral sanctified, woodworker salvation. Horseshoe hanging overhead, fortune's preservation. When the storm clouds gather thick and the world tries to break our will, we stand tall on sacred brick. I'm bloodline running still. I'm bloodline forged in fire, never bend, never tie. Thunder rolling through our souls, ancient strength that never falls. I'm bloodline born to fight, blazing through darkest night. Blood and honor, steel and pride. I'm bloodline battle tried. Generations built this fortress, stone by stone, breath by breath. Sacred covenant, unbroken, stronger than life, stronger than death. Tempest tested, trial proven, warriors walking hallowed ground. Never tie. Thunder rolling through our souls, ancient ancient strength that never falls. Iron bloodline, born to fight, blazing through the darkest night. Blood and honor, steel and pride. Iron bloodline, battle tried. Born from the dirt, raised by the thunder. Iron bloodline, torn asunder. Never broken, never hollow. Iron bloodline we follow. Let's go. Truck tires spinning, sun diving down low. Scrape the mud off my boots just to walk this old road. Flag on the tailgate waving, heart on my sleeve. Beer resting cold in my hand, just you and me. It's that feeling, windows down, air breathing free. Ain't about running, just sitting in the heat. Pipe smoke curling in the dusk, miles away from anywhere, but here's enough. Crank it up, flag high, bonfire nights under rebel skies. Brotherhood leaning on the bed of a Chevy. We carry the wild, hold true and heavy. Raise it loud for the freedom we ride. Muddy boots and an outlaw mind. Crank it up, flag high. Ain't backing down tonight. Bonfire crackling, bass thumping on wood. Laughter like thunder rolling back through these woods. Got that American patch on my jacket vest, burning old worries with every breath. Tailgate throne, got the best seat in town. La la la, every outlaw's found. Love, steel string, echo in the calm. Raise another toast to the fields we're from. Crank it up, flag high, bonfire nights under rebel skies. Brotherhood leaning on the bed of the Chevy. We carry the wild, hold true and heavy. Raise it loud for the freedom we ride. Muddy boots and an outlaw mind. Crank it up, flag high. Ain't backing down tonight. Diesel haze, run with the pack till we see the sun's blaze. Standing tall where the tire marks run. All we got is this bond and the sound of fun. Crank it up, flag high, bonfire nights under rebel skies. Brotherhood leaning on the bed of the Chevy. Carry the wild, hold true and heavy. Raise it loud for the freedom we ride. Muddy boots and an outlaw mind. Crank it up, flag high. Ain't backing down tonight. Still hear your voice where the crickets sing. Crank it up, let them hear everything. Pull up to the spot where the blacktop ends. Truck bed loaded, roll with all my friends. Feel that engine roll beneath my chest. Heartbeat sinking with the motor's test. Dust kicking up like a victory cloud. Bass thumping hard, country boy proud. When that throttle hits, blood starts to race. Adrenaline rush painted on my face. Every mile we burn is a memory made. Through the backwood trails where legends are played. Brothers beside me, we ride as one. Chasing that feeling till the setting sun. Can you feel that thunder rolling through your bones? Oh yeah! Dirt road thunder, take me home. Take me home. When the engine screams and the gravel flies, that's when I come alive. That's when I come alive. That thunder rolling through your bones. Can you feel it? Dirt road thunder, take me home. Take me home. Whole world shakes from the sound we make. That's when I come alive. That's when I come alive. Oh, 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 thunder. Midnight runs with headlights cutting through every twist and turn, I'm sharing it with you. Feel the power surge when we hit the straightaway. Raw emotion in every word I say. Mud splashing high like baptism rain, washing away all the city's strain. In this moment, brother, we're truly free. Two souls connected by what we believe. The rumble beneath speaks our native tongue. Stories of the wild and the forever young. Hold on tight when the road gets rough. This is the life that we can't give. Can you feel that thunder rolling through your bones? Oh yeah, dirt road thunder, take me home, me home. When the engine screams and the gravel flies, that's when I come alive. That's when I feel that thunder rolling through your bones. Can you feel it? Dirt road thunder, take me home, me home. When the whole world shakes from the sound we make, that's when I come alive, that's when I come alive. First turn of the key, turn it up to the last mile that we see. Never stop. This is more than just a ride, it's the fire burning inside. When the pavement disappears and the path ahead is clear, that's when thunder starts to call and we give it our all. La la la, la la la. Can you feel that thunder rolling through your bones? Oh yeah, dirt road thunder, take me home, me home. When the engine screams and the gravel flies, that's when I come alive. That's when I feel that thunder rolling through your bones. Feel it, dirt road thunder, take me home, me home. The whole world shakes from the sound we make. That's when I come alive, that's when I come alive. Ooh. Can you feel it rolling through your bones? Dirt road thunder, take me home. Thunder, that's when I come alive. Born on the wrong side of righteous, mama said I came out fighting. Blood runs thick like Mississippi mud, got that rebel code deep in my blood. Granddaddy's boots still by the door, his stories echo through my core. I'm an outlaw born, outlaw bred, fire burning in my heart instead of playing by their rules and games. I ride my own with dirt and flames. Outlaw born, outlaw made, this rebel soul will never fade. Stars and bars flying high above, country pride and outlaw love. Friday nights we raise some hell, bonfire stories that we tell. Trucks lined up like soldiers waiting for the weekend we've been chasing. Cold beer cans and muddy ties, brotherhood that never ties. We don't bow to no man's crown, built this empire from the ground. I'm an outlaw born, outlaw bred, fire burning in my heart instead. Playing by their rules and games, I ride my own with dirt and flames. Outlaw born, outlaw made, this rebel soul will never fade. Stars and bars flying high above, country pride and outlaw love. They can try to break our spirit, but they'll never come near it. We're the sons of farmers, fighters, road warriors, all-nighters, written in our DNA. Live and die the outlaw way. Courthouse steps and courthouse lies can't dim the fire behind my eyes. Born to run on gravel roads, carrying my daddy's load. When the world gets too damn soft, I remember what it costs to be free in this great land. Die before I tied, take their hair. I'm an outlaw born, outlaw raised. I'm playing by their rules and games. I ride my own with dirt and flames. Outlaw born, outlaw made. This rebel soul will never fade. Stars and bars flying high above. Country pride and outlaw love. Outlaw born, outlaw grown. This dirt road heart's my only home. Outlaw born, outlaw true, till my final breath is through. Backwoods raised dirt on my soul. Daddy's lessons still make me whole. Truck tires spin when the rain comes down. Brotherhood thick in this little town. Mud on my boots, pride in my chest. Who you with when the world gets stressed? American flags on the tailgate high. Freedom's the reason we never lie. Cold beer cracking, bonfire burning. Lost some brothers, still I'm learning. Loyalty runs through my bloodline deep. Promises made that I always keep. Who you with when the steel gets tough? Who you with when the road gets rough? Oh, tell me who you with. Who you with when your back's against the wall? Who you with when you're standing tall? Oh, yeah, tell me who you with. Oh, who you with? Yeah, who you with? Small town heart with an outlaw mind. Left some pieces of me behind. Rebel spirit can't tame this fire. Built for more than what they require. Dirt road kings with our engines loud. Country boys, we stand our ground. Brotherhood tested through pain and scars. Underneath these southern stars. Cold beer cracking, bonfire burning. Lost some brothers, still I'm learning. Loyalty runs through my bloodline deep. Promises made that I always keep. Who you with when the steel gets tough? Who you with when the road gets rough? Oh, tell me who you with. Who you with when your back's against the wall? Who you with when you're standing tall? Oh, tell me who you with. Ah, who you with? Yeah, who when the dust settles down and there's nobody around? Who's gonna have your back when the chips are stacked against everything you believe? Who's never gonna leave? Who you with when the steel gets tough? Who you with when the road gets rough? Oh, tell me who you with. Who you with when your back's against the wall? Who you with when you're standing tall? Oh, yeah, tell me who you with. Tell me, ah, who you with. Tell me, yeah. Backwoods raised dirt on my soul. Brotherhood thick, that's how we roll. Oh, tell me who you with. Rolled up in my daddy's town, dirt still on my Chevy. Know these back roads like my name, pocket full of heavy. Sunday service, Monday grind, that's the way we built. Small town raised me right, taught me never feel no guilt. Bonfire crackling in the night, stars above us playing. Ice cold beer and brotherhood, keeping spirits empty. Freedom ain't something that you buy, something that you earn. Started from the bottom, now these engines, how they blood on my boots, flag on my truck. Pride in my heart, don't need no love. Born and raised where the dirt road ends. Loyal to the code, loyal to my friends. Blood on my boots, steel in my spine. Country bloodline, this life is mine. Raised on the values that won't ever fade. American dream, that's the way I'm made. Tailgate parties every weekend, speakers bumping loud. Jacked up rides and country pride, standing with my crowd. Never backing down from nothing, that's the way we roll. The fire in my belly, rebel spirit in my soul. Working hands and honest pay, that's the only way I know. Muddy boots and worn out jeans everywhere I go. Southern roots run deep inside, can't nobody change me. Freedom rings in everything, wild and untamed. See, flag on my truck, pride in my heart, don't need no love. Born and raised where the dirt road ends. Loyal to the code, loyal to my friends. Blood on my boots, steel in my spine. Country bloodline, this life is mine. Raised on the values that won't ever fade. American dream, that's the way I'm made. From the holler to the highway, brotherhood that never breaks. Every mile of dusty pavement shows the pride that my heart makes. Red, I blue in my DNA. Country strong, that's my way. Mud on my boots, flag on my truck. Pride in my heart, don't need no luck. Born and raised where the dirt road ends. Loyal to the code, loyal to my friends. Blood on my boots, steel in my spine. Country bloodline, this life is mine. Raised on the values that won't ever fade. American dream, that's the way I'm made. Blood on my boots, that's who I am. Country blood, American man.